Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Google Chrome toolbar. So here is the toolbar at the top. You have a bunch of different options here. I'm going to show you how you can customize it, add more stuff or remove some of those stuff that you no longer need. So click the three dots on the upper right hand side in Chrome and go to the settings. On the left hand side, you want to click on appearance, and then you have customize your toolbar here. Click on that. This is going to open up the right hand side, and here you have your navigation. You can go ahead and you can add whatever you want. So let's say I wanted to add home there. I can simply toggle that on and it will enable the home. So if you look here in the upper left, you can see that it's showing the home. If I click it off, you can see that it's gone, right? You can even add the new incognito window there as well, but that's going to show up on the upper right now. You have more options, right? So these are different options. So your Chrome, you can have your bookmark and so forth. You can see that it's actually there, but you have this as one here as well. You can go ahead and just choose whatever downloads. You can add downloads there, and yeah, go ahead and just add whatever you want. Translate, you can add translation as well. It's really up to you, whatever you want to add there. If you want to add even the task manager, you can do that as well for quick access. So that's pretty much it, guys. So you can easily customize your Google Chrome toolbar. Very easy and very simple.